Hello friends, I am back. Your friend Suhas Bhosle. Today I will take you through Thailand journey. I visited Thailand along with my wife last year. Thailand, officially Kingdom of Thailand and formerly known as Siam, is a country in Southeast Asia. It is composed of 76 provinces and covers an area of 5,13,120 square kilometers, a population of over 66 million people. Thailand is world's 50th largest country by land area and a 22nd most populous country in the world. Capital and the largest city in Bangkok, a special administrative area. Thailand used to be known as the Kingdom of Siam and is the country where Siamese cats originated from. The Thai people seem fascinated by these cats, and a 14th century poetry book describes how there used to be 23 different type of Siamese cats. Although nowadays there are only 6. It is considered as a gesture of good luck to present a bride with a pair of Siamese cats on her wedding day. Every year there is a festival dedicated entirely to monkeys in Thailand. Thailand is the world's number one orchid exporter. It is considered disrespectful to touch anyone on their head, even a child, in Thailand. Birthplace of Red Bull is in Thailand in 1976. Bangkok is located on delta of Chao Phraya River, about 25 miles, 40 kilometers from the Gulf, Thailand. In 1972, the city of two surrounding provinces were merged into one province called Krung Thi Mahanikon, Bangkok Metropolis. The metropolis is bustling, crowded city with temples, factories, shops, and homes along its roads and canals. It is a major tourist destination noted for wonderful cultural attraction and night life that includes a flourishing sex trade. When we reached Bangkok, the first day our trip started, and we went to Pattaya beach. So always there is a question which is asked: is Pattaya beach safe? The vast majority of people have a great time in Pattaya after dark, without having any problems at all, because for the most part it's safe and fun. Pattaya in Thailand has the world largest red light district and is considered the global unofficial sex capital. Normally people think in that way, even if person is not interested. So people shy away to say going to Pattaya. There are a lot of places to visit in Pattaya. Al Alcazar Show, Pattaya Beach, Coral Island, Pattaya Floating Market, Central Festival Mall, the Elephant Village, Pattaya Fort. We visited Pattaya Beach and then to Coral Island. Coral Island is worth to visit. They take you by a speedboat. Boat ride itself is a very good and enjoyable. Beach is well maintained. It is always crowded and is not suitable for people who are looking for isolated spots. They should have better washrooms because after paying also you get a dirty toilet with a outer latch. Shops are good and after little bargaining you get good stuff. In evening we visited Alcazar show on the same day. Alcazar show. Alcazar is most famous ladyboy cabaret show started in 1981. Alcazar theater boasts state of art lighting and sound systems which make quite a bit difference. Extravagant costumes, convincing stunning ladyboys, spectacular stage setup, non-stop fantastic enter from the Russian stage to K-pop to Persian Harlem and even outer space. Money worth entertainment. 70-minute show. Temple visit. This was done on second day. Two temples were covered. Things to know before you go, as at all Thai temples. Dress modestly when visiting. Men and women should cover their knees and shoulders, preferably with full length clothing. Remove your shoes before entering the temple. There's a small entrance fees which need to be paid. We visited first spot was Golden Buddha Temple. It is called Wat Trimit in Bangkok. It is housing around 5.5 ton statue of seated Buddha. The gold sculpture dates back to the 13th century and measures at nearly 5 meters in height. Located in Chinatown, Bangkok, the Ornate Temple is about 450 meters west of the Helpong River Station Museum on the third floor, where you get to learn about the history of Golden Buddha. The second floor exhibits 3D presentations detailing the history of Chinese traders in Bangkok. Later on, in the second spot, we visited Marble Temple in Bangkok. It is called Wat Banch Mabot or the Marble Temple. It's a Buddhist temple in a disused area of Bangkok made from Italian marble. Enter the working temple to take it in its ornate features, including typical Thai carved roofs and glittering decorations. Third day, we were at Thailand famous zoo, Safari World. Must visit place in if you are in Bangkok. It has two parts, safari and a marine park. So please do visit both. It has lot of shows. We really liked the dolphin show, which was just awesome. The show and time to make everything smooth. The spy wars and the stunt shows is first of kind in Asia. Safari is also great as you can see wild animals. It will take almost whole day to see everything, so plan accordingly and enjoy. Suitable for both adults and kids. Amazing zoo with animals and birds. Keep your time perfect, otherwise you will not be able to see the show. 40 minutes travel from Bangkok main city. Fourth day, we started our journey from Bangkok to Phuket in flight. The destination was Phuket City. Phuket City on Phuket Island is the capital of Thailand, Phuket province. In the olden town, Thalang Road is lined with colorful 19th century shop houses and Sino Portuguese buildings. Phuket is one of the oldest cities in Thailand. Phuket locations to visit are numerous. Boat tour, Old Phuket town, beaches, nightlife, Big Buddha statue, Phuket fantasy show, jungle safari, water sports, shopping, Phuket dolphin show, tiger kingdom, bar hopping, elephant sanctuaries, island hopping, beach clubs, Karan viewpoints, Thai cooking class, Monkey Hill, and many more. We went to elephant sanctuaries, then Big Buddha statue. So first we visited Big Buddha statue. This is a unique blend of culture and religious site. Proves that Phuket is not just about beaches and nightlife. The 45-meter tall Big Buddha statue atop Nakt Hill with a pleasant sound of small ringing bells and dharma music in the background is perfect for spiritual experience in Phuket. Made of Burmese white marble, the view of Big Buddha is breathtaking. Beautiful anytime you visit the site. This big Buddha statue is not just a symbol of religion but of faith, humanity, and love which you can feel when you visit this place. The second spot which we visited were elephant sanctuaries.
Hello.
As the attitude towards animal and sanctuaries, birds and animal reserve is changing, Phuket is doing everything to keep up with the world and elephant sanctuaries
Mana
getting the well deserved
Come
fame.
on.
These camps work on animal friendly and healthy interactions and let the tourist get a first hand experience of
Thailand,
being close with
Thailand.
animals. The well being and welfare is the topmost priority of these elephant sanctuaries. Many of the elephants you meet here have been rescued from elephant tracking industry. Karon Viewpoint also as a Kata viewpoint located just south of Kata Noi Beach is one of the famous viewpoint of Phuket. Normally crowded with tourists most days of the year, you can take in views of Kata Kai. Kata Noya and Karon Beach. The highlight of the place is that it features the best of the island, beautiful blue seas, white sandy beaches, snow white surf, and exotic nearby island Koipu. These were all the points we visited in Phuket. We enjoyed our 4 days trip, and on the fifth day, we have to leave Thailand. The journey was awesome. Everybody should visit once in lifetime at places like this. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe and like the video.